no work going on in Canary Wharf. They're just kind of invoicing each other for work that gets done somewhere else. But that place really could not exist. Like we know, right? Money is imaginary. And people doing the imagining are cunts. Like how do you know the church was screwing people over 500 years ago? They just had nicer buildings. It's not that hard to tell that you're not allowed to have your own money. You have to give it to a bank, and then you can visit it. Every Monday to Friday, before 5 p.m., you can go and look at your money in a machine. There used to be a lady there, but now that lady is gone. There's a machine that still somehow gets tired at 6 p.m. Bank I like. Rick, and I don't know if you guys have seen the campaign. That's how they won me over. It's all over London. You know, the one, there's like a woman on the poster, and the tagline is something like, if an abuser controls your finances, then they control you. Pretty good, right? I wish all banks would be that honest.